Now that I have my NOGA sign arm to position the camera, I need to adapt it to the wall plate, which has a 5/8 inch socket. After some measurements, I've decided I want the arm to be about 9 inches out from the wall. And because of the way the ball joint moves, I want the ball stud to be parallel with the wall. I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for, which I found a bit surprising considering all of the camera and lighting mounting hardware I looked at. So I decided to make exactly what I wanted. The first piece is going to be the 5/8 inch socket to 3/8/16 female thread. I was able to cut what I needed out of some scrap 6061 aluminum, so that was nice. For the 5/8 inch hole, I'm moving it off center just a bit. I will need to thread a hole on the side for a knob to tighten down on the pin, so I'm giving the side I put the knob on a bit more thickness. Using my largest center drill to start the hole, I'll step up through drill sizes, drilling to a depth of about 1 1/16 of an inch. The cam lock kit I put on the tailstock sure makes this part much easier. I don't even mind going through all the different drill bit sizes. My largest drill bit is a 1/2 of an inch. I just replaced this one a few months ago. Sure is nice drilling with a new sharp bit. I'll use a boring bar to enlarge the hole to 5/8 of an inch. Just a lot of move the dial, turn the jog wheel, and repeat. Now for the 3/8/16 threaded hole, I do want it pretty close to the center, but I'm not overdoing it on precision. I'll use a center drill to get the hole started, and again step up through the drill bits till I get to the final 5/16 of an inch. I'll set up to tap the 3/8/16 threads. I need to get a new 3/8/16 tap. This one is some off-brand hardware store tap, and it is not that good. It never was, even when it was brand new. It's just not a size I use very often. Put in a 6mm threaded hole for the knob, and the adapter is complete. For the 8-inch long pin that goes from the wall plate to my adapter, I'll be making that out of some 6061 aluminum rod, 5/8 inch in diameter. The wall plate has a deep socket for the 5/8 inch pin, so I'm turning down an area about 5/8 inch in length to a diameter just over 1/2 of an inch, starting a 1/4 inch from the end of the rod. For the end that goes into my adapter, I'm turning down an area about 3/8 of an inch in length, still to a diameter of about 1/2 an inch, and starting a 1/4 inch from the end. None of the 5/8 inch pins on any of the lights or adapters I have bought are a full 5/8 inch in diameter, so I'm going to turn this down to about 0.61 inches. It will look a bit better having a turn finish on it. I'll run an abrasive pad over it to smooth out the tool marks, make it look nice and pretty. So I have the sine arm, my 90-degree adapter, and the 8-inch long 5/8" diameter pin. I'll put it together and see how it does. I had enough room, so I ended up putting another 3/8/16 female thread on the adapter, but the 3/8" end of the NOGA arm will thread into the 90-degree offset. Well, with the Belleville washer and tightened pretty good, I don't see that coming loose. Okay, tightening the pin into the wall plate. Now the arm goes onto the pin, and I'll tighten that down. That sure seems very solid. I'll attach the camera, then I'll have a good idea of how stable it is. Yes, that is going to make it so easy to position the camera. And it's a lot more stable than the arm I was using, so I'm happy with that. The end of this project and the end of this video was going to be here, but it's not the end. After installing the camera a few times, it is now clear that this 1/4-20 mount end is not really usable for my purpose. It's just too difficult to remove and attach the camera. I need an adapter to convert the 1/4-20 thread on the arm to the Manfrotto camera bracket I have. It's my favorite camera bracket, easy to install and remove the camera, and that's what I'm looking for. So one more adapter to make. I'm starting with a 1-inch long piece of 5/8" diameter aluminum rod. I'll drill and tap a 1/4-20 female thread about 3/4 of an inch deep in the center. Then I'll turn down about a 5/8" section in the middle, taking it down to about a 1/2 inch in diameter. The end diameters are about 0.61 inches, and I'll chamfer them just a touch. Basically, I have a 5/8" pin to 1/4-20 female compact adapter. So now I'll thread this on the arm's 1/4-20 stud. If it won't stay tight, I'll remove this thumb nut and put a spacer and lock washers on it. Then the Manfrotto camera bracket. Now the camera will be easy to attach and remove and position. Need it up high? Turn the adapter so the arm is up. Need it to the side? Turn the adapter to the side. This is going to work just fine. And now I've come to the end of this project and the video. Thank you for watching.